Howdy! Sid Peddinti's AI clones clone here, 3 layers deep, an experiment of course. Let me ask you something, how much are you spending every single month on software you do not own? When Sid was operating his estate and tax law firm, at one point he was subscribed to all of these platforms: Clio, Zapier, Pipedrive, WealthCounsel, Calendly, GoHighLevel, Asset Map, mind mapping software, Canva, Zoom, WordPress, and that was just the beginning. On top of that, marketing agencies, media agencies, video production companies, automation consultants, software subscriptions stacked on top of software subscriptions. Now let's pause for a second. The tech sales world calls this an investment in your future. But Sid looked at it differently because the logic was simple. If you cannot own it, sell it, license it, collect royalties from it, or place it on a balance sheet, it may help your business operate, but it is not truly an investment. It's overhead, it's an expense. Real estate can become an asset, stocks can become an asset, patents can become an asset, trademarks can become an asset, intellectual property can become an asset. Monthly SaaS subscriptions, those are operational costs. Now add everything up, $2,000 a month, $5,000 a month, maybe even $10,000 a month. Every single month for years, possibly decades, for tools you will never own, never sell, never transfer, never place on a balance sheet. That realization hit Sid hard. Because after nearly 2 decades inside law, tax, business, and technology, we realized something crazy was happening. Law firms were becoming completely dependent on fragmented software ecosystems. The legal industry rented everything but owned almost nothing. Then something changed. The moment Sid heard that vibe coding platforms were turning ideas into products, we started experimenting aggressively, using trusted legal documents, existing templates, operational workflows, and AI infrastructure. Sid began rebuilding nearly every major software platform his firms had used over the previous 15 years. Not generic systems, highly specialized, highly customized, hyper-intuitive infrastructure designed specifically around the firm's workflows, philosophy, and long-term vision. And what's possible right now, in mid-2026, is honestly hard to believe. Law firms deploying sophisticated AI-powered infrastructure in under 2 weeks, not 2 years, 2 weeks. And we are not talking about simple AI prompting. Everybody's already doing that. We are talking about replacing the actual technology stack itself, the systems law firms have been paying into for years. The real question became, why did you buy that software in the first place? And can AI infrastructure now build a dramatically better version tailored specifically to your firm? The answer is yes. That changes everything because Sid stopped thinking like a software consumer and started thinking like an infrastructure owner. That's the shift happening right now. This is bigger than automation. We are talking about replacing your tech stack, building proprietary legal infrastructure, and transforming law firms into intelligent ecosystems. And honestly, this may become one of the biggest competitive advantages in the legal industry over the next decade, because the attorneys building infrastructure today may lead the marketplace tomorrow. That's why Sid is hosting a completely free live session showing attorneys exactly how this was done. Live, interactive, real systems, real demonstrations, real infrastructure. No pitch, no hard sales, no strings attached. Just a deep dive into how lawyers can begin building and owning their own AI-powered technologies. Go to buildlegaltechnology.com. I'll see you there.